Now this is my third attempt.
Fourth.
Fourth attempt to get it over this little lake here on par 4. What course are we at?
Horton Park.
Horton Park in the
Maroochydore.
Sunshine Coast, Maroochydore. I've selected another iron, but this time a 7 to get a bit more acute lift. So we'll see how we go this time. I've already lost 3 balls to the abyss so far in the 4 holes we played. So I'm determined not to lose another now. Okay. Okay. And that should have been done the first time. So, yeah, lovely shot. So